Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with entry number 6. And this entry for my pocket challenge, by the way, and this is from the lovely Belinda Coombs. And I'm going to have a link to Belinda's channel down in the description box below. So please do go over and subscribe to this extremely talented lady. She does beautiful stuff, and she also has a challenge going on herself right now, which is a Marie Antoinette challenge, I believe. So if you go over to her channel, you'll see all that information over there. And let's open this up and see what's inside. Let me just check. Yes, I got everything out. Okay. Oh, oh, there's a note here. It says, "Hi, Kim. Excuse me. I've made one card and one fabric pocket for you. Hope you can use them. Crafty hugs, Belinda Coombs." Oh, of course I can. Thank you. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She's beautiful. Oh, I love how you did that. And I think this is like a bag she's created for her pockets to go in. Yes. Oh, yeah, there's stuff inside here. Let's pull that out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll get to that in 1 second. Yes, this is like a bag she's created with a glassine bag here. And then she's added paper and burlap. And she's popped this image up. That is a gorgeous image. I love that image. That's beautiful, Belinda. Wow. Everything is sewn. She's got some muslin and some vintage lace here and this beautiful flower with some burlap behind it. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I think I'll be using that as well, Belinda. I will definitely be using that in a journal or something. I don't know, but I am going to have to use it for something. It's beautiful. Wow. I love it. Thank you so much for that. She's gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, so let's see the pocket. So she made one card and one fabric pocket. So one paper, one fabric. Okay, so this is the one that's on top here. So we'll do that one first. So this must be her paper one. So she has used, oh, it's a beautiful paper. It's got these lovely little violets in the corner here. And there's just the faintest script on the back. And it looks like she's done a bit of distressing along the edges, or maybe a bit of paint. And then look at this, just beautiful. Now this looks avocado dyed, this applique here. And then she's got a silver and pearl piece of bling in the middle. And she's got some gorgeous laces here. Let me lift the flap up. This beautiful butterfly lace. This is actually one of my favorite laces, Belinda. I love this trim. And then she's got, this looks tea-dyed here, going across here. And then underneath that is another beautiful embroidered trim, an avocado dyed flower, and then another little flower and pearl there. So it's just beautiful. That's gorgeous. And it's inside, nice big pocket. And my husband just brought me a cup of tea, so thank you. So that is gorgeous, and I love this paper, Belinda, so thank you so much for that. Beautiful paper pocket. So let's just look at the back again. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And OMG, look at this one. Wow, girl. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful fabric. It's like a satin, like a damask almost. And it's so incredibly soft. It's just beautiful. Look at that. And again, it's all sewn. And she's done like this really beautiful pocket where it goes along here and then it cuts down this way. How unusual and unique. I love that. So there's a nice pocket there. That will look beautiful in a fabric journal. And my cat is here now getting into the bag from Belinda. And then she's got some more, I think this might be tea-dyed trim here along the bottom, but look at this piece here with all these pearls, and I'm pretty sure she's made that because it looks to be on like a doily. And then she's got some dangle trim here underneath it, so she's made that. That's beautiful. Look at how dimensional that is. I may have to try and make one of those myself, Belinda. That is very cool looking. I love that. And then she's got a little bow here and this lovely delicate little trim here, and then more lace coming along the top there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, Belinda, thank you so much. These are gorgeous. So you guys, please go over. My cat's really enjoying the packaging. I don't know if you can hear her or not, but she's enjoying the packaging. So thank you for the packaging for my cat, Belinda, and also for these beautiful, gorgeous pockets that you created, and also this beautiful piece that they came in, because this is just absolutely amazing as well. So please go over and subscribe to this wonderful lady's challenge that she's having on her channel, and you can find the link to her channel in the description box below, and I will be back with another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye for now.